My name is Mike Myers. I'm a marriage and family therapist, and I love to work with couples and people who are individuals who are having trouble with their relationship. One of the things that happens with couples is that they get disconnected, and the story of one doesn't connect with the story of the other. We're not telling the story of us. And the goal in my therapy room is to tell the story of us. How do we connect or reconnect after many different things, whether we've had an affair or whether we've been not intimate with one another for a long time, or we're having troubles with arguments, whatever it is that we can talk about. But it's about getting reconnected with one another. And that's where we begin, and that's kind of where we're going and how we end. I love doing what I do. It's the story of us, it's the story of connection, it's the story of my life, really, about how does one connect with other people. Way a long time ago, when I was just a young pup, I was working in nursing homes, and then from there worked in mental health crisis, and from there became a nurse and was working on the psych ward, and from there became a counselor, and from a mental health counselor to working specifically with relationships. Relationships are the very core of who we are. From our mothers on forward, we've had relationships with people, and that's the stuff of connectedness. And I love that stuff. I love working with people, the aha moments that they get along the way, saying, oh yeah, I get you now. And that's why I do what I do.